the kitten, who turned into a dragon. It was just a normal nap. Until Ahu! And suddenly, the whole room started to glow like fire. Milo was a tiny fluffy kitten, with a very unusual problem every time he sneezed. Something magical happened. One sneeze turned his food into ice cream. Another sneeze made his tail grow shiny dragon scales. The biggest sneeze of all turned Milo into a real, fire-breathing dragon. At first, everyone was scared, but soon they realized Milo's magic made life more fun and exciting. Milo learned that sometimes being different is the best kind of magic. And the best part? He still had many more magical sneezes to come. If you thought Milo's sneeze was amazing, just wait until you hear what happens when he hiccups. Don't forget to subscribe for more magical stories.